Hi everyone, I am CNNE Agrawal, associated with Patron Accounting LLP. Today we are going to see how to apply name of new company through Spice Plus without any resubmissions. Name apply is the first step of company registration. So let's quickly understand the process. To apply the name of the company, first you have to go to the MCA site. On MCA site, there is one option under MCA Services Spice Plus. You have to click on it. It will ask to log into the MCA portal. If you don't have an MCA login account, you can click here on register now and fill the basic details as we do for the Gmail sign up. Once you have signed into the MCA account, then click on the Spice Plus option. It will give two options, new applications as well as existing applications. We have to apply the name through new application. So basically now there are 5 points that you have to keep in mind while applying the name of the company. The first step is you have to click on the new application. Type of company, we are applying name for a private company, so you have to select the option new company others. Class of company as private, category of company as company limited by shares, subcategory of company as non-government company. For selecting the main divisional of the industrial activity of the company, you have to take the help of Spice Plus. Here in below you will see once on the new application page there is Spice Plus services. Click on the Spice Plus services, click here, a form will be downloaded. I'll show you, I have already downloaded the form. On Spice Plus help on the 25th page, or you can click directly go on the annexure B. There are various codes of various activities. Suppose if you are in agriculture activity, mining queries, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, manufacturing. So today we are going to do it for consultancy services, for example. So there is no unique code for consultancy services. So you have to select under business services other business activities. That is code number 74. Once you write code number 74, it will reflect other business activities like this. Okay, now you have to provide two names in the order of the preference. So, like how the name should be selected. There are basically two components in the name selection. First is unique, the first letter, the first word of the name should be a unique name. For example, suppose I am selecting Digital Legal India. Now, as you will see, Digital Legal India is a very general name. There is no unique name in this. Digital is a general word, legal is a general word, and India is a general word. So that this name will be rejected. Patron accounting. In patron accounting, you'll see the patron is a unique word. So every name should have first word as a unique name. Now, the second thing that you have to keep in mind is that the second word of the name should be descriptive. For example, in patron accounting, you will see that accounting is the descriptive of the services what the patron accounting is going to do. So, second one should always be a descriptive. For example, if I will write patron India, it is not describing what services patron India is going to provide. So, this name will be rejected. Now, the third thing that you have to keep in mind while applying the name private limited company is after your name is complete, you have to add two words in the end, that is private limited. Patron accounting private limited. Limited. Now, once you have decided the name of the company, you have to go and check its availability. The availability of the name can be checked under the same tab MCA Services Check Company Name. So you have to go to the Check Company Name where you can do the initial check. Suppose I do the check with Patron. Now Patron, if I search, there will be lot of companies with the name of Patron. So now my name is suppose Patron Digital. So I have to see whether Patron Digital exists or not. See, it's coming enter name does not exist. So you can probably apply with this name. I would suggest you can do a one more additional check by writing patron and the first letter of the second word, that is patron D. So if you will search with this, you will see that patron detective and security exists. So we can apply for patron digital. So what I want to say is whenever you do the name check, just first select it with the first word, and then second select it with the second first letter of the second word, and then full second word. It will help to avoid the resubmission of the form. Now, the fifth point that you have to keep in mind is like if you select the object, like attaching the object of the company is now not mandatory. It was mandatory as in the previous forms. But in case you provide the object as 74 other business activity, so always please write your object or the activity that the company is going to undertake in a word, convert it into a PDF, and then attach the file here. Otherwise, 99% chances are there that the name will come in resubmission with the query that the object of the company is not defined. Okay, so after once you have provided the two names here, do the auto check option. See, proposed name is similar to the name of the existing company, Patron Accounting, it is given. So we will do it Patron Digital Private Limited, and you can do the auto check. Once your auto check is done, you can save it and submit it. Once you will submit it, it will ask you to make the payment, that is of rupees 1000. Once you deposit the challan, then the application for your name submission will go to the MCA. Here, this ends your process of the name apply. You can as well view the document of name application through the link shared below. For any other query regarding the name or company registration, you can contact Patron Accounting LLP.